So guys, if you have problem with like a charger or like cigarette light, yeah, first of all you have to check the connection. So let me see. So I'm using this tool just to see like 0 voltage. So I have none, and I check all fuses here, but I can't find any problem. So I decided to see like the wiring, and right now I can show you what was the problem. So this thing, you can just put something like under this plastic and take it off. I don't want to break nothing. So yeah, we can take this thing off. So we have two screws over here. I take it off. It's 10 millimeters, and after we can pull it. Just really careful because it's plastic. So, and here as well. So when we have access, so this connection was here, but check. Give me 1 second. So now let's turn the key. Check again. So right now we have 12 volts. So it's mean we have all fuses good. You just need to change this part, but let's check again. Let's put it on. So, let's see. We have none, so it's mean, yeah, this plug will need to be changed. So, and also I had problem with lights, not this this panel, so it was like that. Let's take it off, this and this thing, and we can get access. So on that lamps, the lamps, yeah, we have to change it. So we can take this thing off, and we can get access to turn that connection off, and that lamps, you know, it costs nothing from eBay, so you can change it easy. So that's it. So if you have problem with this plug, with the charging your phone, with the cigarette thing, so you're good, because I check all my fuses, I check everything everywhere, but I can't find like any problem except this thing. So we're good to go.